I'm building a web app and need a scalable, real-time database. I've heard about Firebase Firestore. Can you tell me more about it?
Firebase Firestore is a NoSQL document database built for automatic scaling, high performance, and ease of application development. It's part of Google's Firebase platform, which provides various tools for building web and mobile apps.
Sounds interesting. How does Firestore store data?
Firestore organizes data in documents and collections. A document contains fields that are key-value pairs, similar to a JSON object. These documents are stored in collections, which are essentially containers for your documents. You can also have subcollections within documents, allowing a hierarchical data structure.
Is it easy to perform operations like reading, adding, or updating data?
Yes, Firestore provides a simple and expressive API for these operations. For instance, to add a new document to a collection, you do something like this in JavaScript.
And what about reading data from the database?
Reading data is also straightforward. You can retrieve a single document, a collection, or query documents based on certain criteria. Here's an example of fetching all documents from a collection.
Does Firestore support real-time updates?
Yes, that's one of its best features. Firestore allows you to listen to real-time updates of your data. When the data in your database changes, Firestore can automatically notify your app.
That's powerful. What about security? How does Firestore manage that?
Firestore uses Firebase authentication and Firestore security rules to secure your data. You can define rules to specify who has access to what data. These rules are written in a concise and expressive language that allows you to control read/write operations based on authentication status, user identity, and data structure.
Can I use Firestore for complex queries, like filtering and sorting?
Yes, Firestore supports various querying capabilities. You can perform compound queries with multiple chained filters and sort the results. However, it's important to note that Firestore's query model requires you to structure your data according to your query needs, and there are some limitations, like you can only perform range queries on a single field.
Does Firestore integrate well with other Firebase services?
Absolutely. It integrates seamlessly with other Firebase services like Firebase Authentication, Cloud Functions, and Firebase Hosting. This integration allows for powerful combinations, like triggering cloud functions based on Firestore events or securing your data based on user authentication status.
Sounds like Firestore is a great choice for real-time, scalable applications. Thanks for the information.
You're welcome.